Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix your iPhone touch screen if it stops working after the iOS 18 update or any update. If your screen is unresponsive, glitchy or completely frozen, follow these steps to fix it. So let's get started. This method really reloads the software code and fix the most touch screen issues. That you have to click the volume up button and volume down button quickly, then click the side button until the screen goes completely blackout, and then restart your iPhone. This forces your iPhone to restart and reload the system, which often resolves touchscreen issues caused by the software glitches. If your problem is not solved at the first time, try again and again. Sometimes it takes multiple restarts to solve these issues. And if you still show the problem, click on your settings, then go into general and click on software update. If you see any kind of update here, just update your software and this might resolve your problem. And there's another way that you have to connect to a Mac or PC to your iPhone, open Finder, Mac or iTunes, Windows and update your device. This requires more effort, so try the force restart first. And that's it. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.